What's up guys? Today we are at 1498 Jalan Tebrau. So this is a completed project. It's just handed over by the developer. This project was supposed to complete in 2023 but because of MCO, it was delayed. But now it's officially complete and hand over the key. So today we will bring you to see their completed unit and their future project. Let's go! Okay, right now we are at one of the unit. This is the owner unit. So because the owner is still under renovation, so the unit will be a bit fussy and dirty lah. So let's go see the unit. How is it going? Okay, so the unit here will be all 3 bedrooms. There are 3 types: Type A, Type B, Type C. All will be 3 bedrooms. From the lowest 875 square feet onto 1000 square feet. So straightforward. Once come in, there will be your kitchen area, living room area. One of the special thing about this concept is that all the unit here will have a balcony. Then the balcony is 2 balcony. One over master, the other one is over here. Okay, so and then coming in, back again, there will be 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So once enter the first location here, this will be the first bedroom, first bedroom, second bedroom, and then the master. So the master will have their own balcony also. You can go out. So this balcony is actually linked, but then it cannot go over to each other because there will be a boundary over there lah. Okay, so the master bathroom is over here. So you can see the unit is under renovation now, so a bit dirty everything lah. So we will go to see the facility floor and talk more about them. Let's go. Okay, right now we are at their facility floor, 13th floor. So 12th floor and below is all the car park level. So the first entrance, the main entrance coming in will be the level 4, and they have another entrance on level 1. So if you are car park at level 2, you can go to level 1. If you're car park at level 7, you can go to level 4, turn 3 now, go to level 7. So at the facility floor, because the concept here is not to be very fancy, everything is lively living lah. So you can see swimming pool, wanding pool, and then badminton court, playground, some of the BBQ area, and then the playground over here. So this is tower A, this is tower B, and then tower C. So all the unit here will be 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom. So there will be 2 car park is side by side also. So tower here they have 3 types. B and C is more to Malaysian government workers. So for tower A, if you are interested, you can comment below. I will send you some of the details for the unit. So for today, we are starting the video for this one because for the same developer, they are launching for another phase, which is Monterra. So for Monterra, the smallest unit start from 1+1, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. The lowest price range start from 300 plus only. It's the same as 149, but for 149 owner, they start earning some passive income already because the rental here can up to 2,000 to 2,005 because it's all 3 bedroom and it's very close to CIQ. From here to CIQ is around 8 kilometers only. So we have here the news. There will be another hospital opening soon at beside Monterra. So if you'd like to know more about this project, comment below or WhatsApp me. Remember to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video.